In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Affirm on Walmart 2025, step by step. If you want to split your Walmart purchase into simple payments, Affirm makes that possible in a few different ways. I'll walk you through checking out directly at Walmart using the Affirm mobile app and going through affirm.com on a computer. Along the way, I'll point out what to expect so you can move through it smoothly. First, using Affirm at Walmart during checkout. Start by adding the items you want to your Walmart cart. When you're ready to pay, choose Affirm as your payment option at checkout. You'll be asked to enter your mobile number, then select Continue. If it's your first time applying, you'll be prompted to create an account, which only takes a moment. Affirm will text you a 6-digit one-time verification code. Enter that code to confirm it's you. From there, you'll see whether you're approved for your purchase. If you are, you'll be shown your available payment options, which can include low or even no interest with some partners. Review the terms carefully so you choose a schedule that works for your budget. Next, using the Affirm app on your phone. Download the free Affirm app from the App Store on iOS or the Google Play Store on Android. Open it and enter your mobile phone number. If you're new to Affirm, you'll be prompted to create an account. Just like before, Affirm will text you a 6-digit verification code. Enter it to continue. In the app, tell Affirm where you're shopping and how much you need for your purchase. The app will then check and let you know whether you're approved. This is helpful if you prefer to set up your payment plan before you head to Walmart online or in-store. Finally, using affirm.com on a desktop, go to affirm.com and sign in to your account, or create one if you haven't yet. You'll receive a 6-digit one-time verification code by text. Enter that to confirm your sign-in, then tell Affirm where you're shopping and the amount you're planning to spend. You'll see whether you're approved for your purchase and can review the options presented. A few tips as you go. Keep your phone handy so you can quickly grab the verification code and make sure your cart total reflects taxes and any fees, since that affects your approval amount. Approval and terms can vary, so take a moment to read the details before you proceed. That's it. Now you know the simple ways to use Affirm with Walmart in 2025.